Hello guys, this is a quick unbox of this Beats Studio buds. I got it from Amazon. Okay, it's the first time that I'm gonna use them, so I'm going to unbox for you. And this one works with active noise canceling in transparency mode. Let me just open it up. Here it comes sealed. Just need to remove the seal here. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Let me just move this box aside. And here we go. Okay. What I have at first, some cable, so fast few. 5 minutes up to 1 hour. Okay. It's a cable with USB-C, both sides. And what else I have here? Oh, good. Right, I have the earbuds, left and right. There we go. I can change it depending on the size of my ear. And what else? Some paperwork. There's paperwork here, a lot of it, right? More paperwork, more stickers, stuff like this. Sticker, user menu or user guide, and here we go, the product itself. Let's just remove it from here. Here we go. Connect to the USB-C port, and it's a beautiful box. You see it, looks nice. Let's just open it up. How do I open this thing here? Let me just find out. Probably here. Here we go. That's the way. Okay, sorry guys, first time. And let me just remove one from here. Here we go. Nice product. Let me just put close to the camera so you can see better. Another camera here. There we go. That's one of them. And I have a second one here. Let's see how I'll put it back. Yeah, it's easy, right? Just remove it like this. Then when I put it back, it's magnetic. See, when I approach here, whoops, this other one. Yeah, nice, I like it, right? So just a quick unbox so you see what's inside here. So you have basically the cables, you have the other earbuds here, and you have all the paperwork that you need to make it work. Okay, so this is just a quick unbox, and I'll start using it and make more videos about it, right? If you want one of this, just go to Amazon and get yours.